Hello friends, welcome to one more video. In this video we will study what is goods, meaning of goods and different types of goods. Watch this video so that you can score more marks and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Let us see this question in detail. First of all, what is the meaning of the term goods? It means all those things which can satisfy human wants. It includes goods as well as service. In short, if you want to remember, then you can remember that anything which satisfy our want is termed as goods. In the photo you will see different types of needs, that is food, water, shelter or clothing. All these are classified as the term goods. Now, going further in the question, let us see classification of goods. The goods can be classified into free goods and economic goods. Sometimes 5-mark question is asked only on this topic. Therefore, listen carefully. First type of classification is free goods. What do you understand by the term free goods? It has come. Free goods is a free gift of nature. Therefore, supply of that is unlimited, and moreover, let us see an example. For example, air and water are example of free goods. Next, they are free gift of nature. Therefore, it cannot be made or production cannot be done. There is no exchange value and it is not considered as wealth because it is free gift of nature. On the other hand, economic goods are man-made. It is made by the man. Moreover, the supply is limited. Because the supply is limited, we pay price. Let us see an example. For example, shoes and clothes. Simple example is easy to remember and give you more marks. Next, it can be made or it can be produced. It has exchange value and it is considered as wealth. One more thing about this classification you have to remember is this classification is not permanent. It changes from time to time, place to place, person to person. A goods may be free today and economic goods tomorrow. How? For example, water was free many years before, but now it is packed in the bottle and it is sold. Therefore, once what was free goods is now economic good. Similarly, free goods are at one place and economic goods at another place. Let us see an example. Water is free goods if it is in river and economic goods if it is in pipeline. Similarly, air is free goods but oxygen cylinder are economic goods because we have to pay price to buy oxygen cylinder. Next thing is next classification, different types of goods. They are as follows, that is consumer goods and producer goods. By the time you have seen the picture on your screen, you must have understood that what is consumer goods. The consumer goods are consumed by the consumer and it satisfies human wants. These goods are also known as goods of direct demand. I repeat, direct demand. It is goods of first order. For example, cloth, TV, ice cream and so on. Whereas producer goods which produces the consumer goods, they are indirect demand and they are goods of second order. Ice cream is consumer goods. Ice cream machine is producer goods. Furniture is consumer goods. What makes furniture is producer goods. However, this classification is also not permanent. Let us see in detail why. Because something may be consumer for one but producer for another. How? An example will make this more clear. We consume milk, therefore milk is consumer goods, and because it is consumed by us, moreover, when it is used by producer, he earns profit. Therefore, milk is consumer goods for us and producer goods for milkman. Next point, third classification, which is on your screen. Consumer goods are classified into two types, durable goods as well as non-durable goods. What is durable goods? The goods which are used for long period of time over and over again. For example, car, bike, bed, whatever you want to write, are known as durable goods. On the other hand, non-durable goods are for a short period of time. They are one-time use. For example, milk and fruit. Next classification is necessary, comfort and luxury. by the time you have seen the picture, you will come to understand necessary goods are necessary for human existence. Let us see an example. They are necessary for survival. For example, the picture makes it more clear: food and cloth. Moreover, second type necessary is necessary for efficiency. Medical equipment for doctor is necessary for efficiency. Pardon me for that point. B point, comfort. Comfort goods makes our life more comfortable. For example, benches for studies makes student life comfortable. Chair for sitting makes life comfortable. Fan makes our life comfortable. Second is luxurious goods. Luxurious goods are only for prestige. It does not have any effect, but it is very very important. Such classification is not permanent. Why? Because car was considered luxury 20 years ago. Now it is compulsory. Everybody has this. Nobody consider it a prestigious. Costly cars are, but cars are now luxury. Next point, next classification. What is next classification? Looking at the picture, material goods and non-material goods. What is material goods? Material goods are tangible goods. Tangible goods are the goods which can be seen or touched. For example, building, books, aluminium, whatever you name it. On the other hand, non-material goods are intangible. You cannot see. It cannot be seen. For example, services of doctor and teacher are important but cannot be seen. Next classification is transferable goods, non-transferable goods. What is transferable goods? The goods which can be transferred from, you can read it, from one person to another person. That is external goods. For example, water and clothes. Whereas non-transferable goods are not transferred. They are internal. Skill, ability, intelligence are example of non-transferable goods. Next classification, private goods and public goods. You can see the picture. You will come to understand private goods are owned by private industry, whereas public goods owned by society or government. So house is private goods, railway is public goods. Thank you for watching this video. View this video many times to score, and please subscribe to our channel so we can serve you better. Our name is Pranav Classes. Share this video to all your friends for better understanding. Come to our class. Thank you. All the best for your exams.